So it's Sunday, April 19th. It's been quite a journey so far. It's been about 3 weeks since we've shut down our business for normal operations. We did not lay off any of our staff. They are still getting their normal pay. We wanted to be sure that they were here to help us and help all of our frontline workers to continue to serve at really what we feel is a much higher level at this point. We really are a small business in St. Louis. We're third generation. Our father, our grandfather, they were also small business owners in St. Louis, and they always basically wanted to be sure that we were taking care of everyone out there, so everyone out there would continue to take care of us. So when this all came down and we were deemed unessential, which totally makes sense, many things that we do on cars and trucks and vans and boats are fun things, and they are not the same as what a doctor would be, or a firefighter, or a policeman would be. So we found that there was a big need because these people right in the line of this virus, they had traditional face masks. The problem with the traditional face mask, even the N95 face mask, is that the virus is so small, the small particles can still get through that. The other thing is it can actually go through your eyes. And it could be coughing, sneezing, and other particles that can come through. So that's where this came. This is a face shield. What this face shield does is actually designed to go around your forehead. It actually goes across the bridge. Still gives you space for your face mask as well as your protective lenses. If you're a dentist, which obviously is very interactive with a lot of saliva and other things, they have magnifiers that allows that as well, and it can be adjusted. These are made specifically for adults and frontline workers. So we started making a couple dozen, and we actually found the demand was even greater than we thought. So we started working with some partners. There's a good friend of ours, Gary, who's out in California, that we helped on some tooling, and then they've been very instrumental in some material production with us. There's also a good friend of ours, Robert, down in Texas, that's been helping us on some of the production of materials. Then from there, we got all shipped into St. Louis. We've been working to get all those materials assembled, packaged, distributed. We've worked out all the logistics as far as getting the materials to those frontline people. So frontline workers to us, and the real essential workers, are everything from your hospital workers, your doctors, your dentists, your police, your fire, your EMTs, all of those. And we've already distributed about 600 of these face shields throughout St. Louis and about a 2-hour radius of the area. There's going to be about another 500 of them going out within the next 4 to 5 days. So if you would, please like and share this and subscribe to our station to send us to other frontline workers. We want them to be sure that they're protected and that they're taken care of. Our main contact number during this event is 314-324-5502. You can send all the inquiries and needs directly to josh@jmlaudio.com. Please put on there your name, a direct cell contact phone number, as well as the organization you're with and the amount of shields requested, so we can help you out as much as possible. So if you see around us, to my right, as well as to my left, you'll see all the production that we've done here in about the last 4 days. We've been working pretty much 8 to 10 hours a day on producing these, even including the weekend. I mean, today, Sunday, and yesterday, Saturday. Our staff has been home producing and assembling all of these. Since it started about 3 weeks ago, we've actually kept them on payroll to be able to be sure that they're here to continue to help and assist you. So please remember us when this is all clear, and please share this with everyone that's essential so we can continue to help St. Louis, and let's keep everyone safe and strong. Thanks so much for your help.